Hey Jack Squad, today we are going to make this delicious simple garden salad with just a few ingredients that you could customize any way you want, add any type of salad dressing that you like, and it's easy, inexpensive, and straight to the point. Alright, so let's jump right into the recipe. So guys, all my vegetables are washed as you will see. What I'm doing here is I'm slicing some cucumbers. I like to make my food attractive too. So with the cucumber, what I basically did was I shaved parts of it, as you will see, in order to create that effect. I don't know, it just looks cute, even though I'm, quite tulun, but I thought it would be cute. So here's how I did it. So I took my peeler and basically I just spaced in between the peeler. Basically, as you can see, just take the peeler as if you're peeling anything and just leave a space so you'll have a part that's shaved off and a part that's not. And when you cut it into the rings, basically it will give you that nice cute effect. I just think it's cute. You don't have to do this, but my thing is, when you're making food, it's okay to put a little effort into making it look desirable. And people eat with their eyes, so of course we're slicing. As you can see, when we slice it, it gives you that nice cute effect. Okay, simple, straight to the point. Take a little time to just spice it up a little bit, make it look cute. Okay, and voila, here we go. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so now I got some red onion that I'm thinly slicing. Okay, I love the red onion. Of course, color is very important. I think it just makes things pop out because, even though we're doing a garden salad, you're going to have a lot of green, but a little plush of color here and there just brings it all out. Okay, so I'm thinly slicing some onions, guys. Again, the red onion has a nice sweet contrast to the other lettuce leaves we're going to use, because I'm going to use some endive in here too, romaine lettuce and stuff. So it just adds that little perk, okay? And the color just brings it and adds that extra oomph on top of it. Now, darlings, we are now adding some red and green leaf lettuce, okay? Again, a lot of this stuff easily accessible in your supermarket. You got some baby spinach that I had in the refrigerator, and I'm using some romaine hearts. Okay, I think there's like 3 that comes in that bag. So, but guys, before anything, please wash your vegetables. I don't care if they're in the bag and they tell you it's okay, but just still wash it, okay? So guys, while now that's happening, we are now slicing some plum tomatoes. I love plum tomatoes. You could use cherry tomatoes. I'm just, this is simple. So you could play with this any way you want. So now I'm using these plum tomatoes. I like the firmness of them. And these tomatoes, they don't get mushy. Okay, so, but before anything else, when you go to the supermarket, just, feel the firmness of your tomatoes. Because one thing I cannot stand is when you have a salad and the tomatoes all mushy, and especially when it's really hot, it's going to get even softer, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm just slicing my tomatoes here. Okay, and again, you could use even those tri-colored cherry tomatoes, which is beautiful, but I wasn't doing all that. Okay, so this is your salad, your preference. Have fun. Remember, color adds attractiveness. Okay, and we're gonna set these to the side. Okay, so now, my loves, these are our romaine hearts that I had already cleaned and dried very well. Guys, please make sure you dry your lettuce leaves very, very well, because you don't want the lettuce leaves to get soft. You want them to still maintain that crispness. So, my loves, what I'm doing right now, in one of those aluminum pans, I'm just layering my lettuce. Basically, I'm layering it everything, okay? It's just simpler that way, okay? Or you could toss it, but I found layering it was easier and straight to the point, okay? So I'm just layering the first bed will be my romaine hearts that I cut. You could even tear it with your hands, but I like to do everything bite-sized. Okay, you want everything to be bite-sized. So I would say about a half an inch each, if you can, of your vegetables, so people won't be having a difficult time putting the salad in their mouths. I just think it's cuter that way. So now I'm layering my spinach. Okay, my spinach on top of that. And guys, don't worry, the ingredients are in the description box below. Okay, my loves, now we are adding our red and green leaf lettuce. Okay, again, like I stated before, make sure after you finish rinsing off your vegetables, if you have one of those salad spinners, perfect. If you don't, make sure you lay your vegetables on something flat that can absorb, like paper towels, and make sure it's very dry, because you don't want that water to just be on the vegetables and then it'll turn the lettuce soggy, and we don't want that. We still want to maintain that crispness in our lettuce leaves and our spinach leaves, etc. Now our cucumber slices. All right, and basically we're just layering everything. Everything is just being layered. That's it. Now for our plum tomatoes. Okay, we're layering that on top of our cucumbers. Simple, straight to the point. And my love, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that thumbs up button so we could get the algorithm going for this video. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified of all my upcoming videos. And share the word. Let everybody know Jackie's cooking. Now for our thinly sliced onions. Okay, we're like just scattering it on there. Okay, so everybody will make sure that they get some onion. And if you don't like onions, whoever gets a piece of onion, I don't know, whatever. The fact is, it's a garden salad. Nobody said there wasn't going to be any onions in it, so you know. But you know, you can't please everybody. All right, so I'm adding some more cucumber around the rim of the salad, as well as some tomatoes. So you just layer it, have fun, do you, okay? If you want to, guys, you can add some dried cranberries. There's something about dried cranberries in salad that I love. It really adds that hint of sweetness to it. I just think that is so cool. I love it, love it, love it. It just really brings your salads to a different level. It really does. It's that extra zing, okay? And I'm just taking the rest of the cucumbers, what have you, and I'm just playing with it, you know. But the whole point, guys, is for you to get the gist. You know, this is not an expensive salad. I mean, depending on where you are, because I'm in New York. So, I mean, you know, things can be pricey, but even if you have your own garden and you're having a get-together, what have you, because I was doing this for a party, it's simple. And with this salad, my loves, you can pair it with any type of salad dressing, vinaigrettes, creamy dressings, what have you. Do you. Okay, now I'm just finishing it up with the rest of the tomatoes, throwing those nice shavings of onions on here. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to, don't forget your croutons. If you want to add some feta cheese on this, you can. Now with the croutons, I would suggest if you're doing this for a party, you could bring the croutons with you last, and then when you get to serve, you could put the croutons on the side, or if you want, you could sprinkle it on the salad itself. Okay, and I guess just in case if there's any excess moisture, it won't make the croutons somewhat flimsy and soggy. But here's the salad, guys. It's simple, straight to the point, nothing dramatic, you know. If you want to add some radishes and make roses out of the radishes, you go ahead. I wasn't doing all that. I just wanted to get this straight to the point. I mean, there are times if I'm doing it for a professional event, yes, I will, but I wasn't doing all that, okay? But my loves, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please leave me your comments, my loves, and look out for my other videos. And my loves, I need you to do 3 things for me, and that is eat, love, and pray. Until next time.